Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best Chevy air filter you can get your hands on, the K&N engine air filter, model KNA-2129. If you're driving a Chevy or GMC truck or SUV from 1999 to 2019, think Silverado, Suburban, Tahoe, Sierra, Yukon, or Avalanche, this is the upgrade your engine will thank you for. Right off the bat, what makes the K&N KNA-2129 stand out is its long life. While traditional filters typically give you around 12,000 miles before needing a swap, this one is designed to go the distance, up to 18,000 miles. That's a 50% increase in lifespan, which means fewer replacements, less hassle, and ultimately, better value for your money. Now let's talk about construction. This filter isn't your average cardboard and paper job. It's made with rugged premium materials that are built to withstand the demands of your engine and the elements. Whether you're tackling dusty backroads or cruising down the highway, this filter is designed to stay strong and maintain performance. One of the biggest selling points of the K&N Advantage Plus filter is its filtration efficiency. With up to 99% efficiency, it works hard to keep dust, debris, and other harmful particles out of your engine. This means your engine runs cleaner and smoother, which can translate to better fuel efficiency and long-term engine health. Installation is a breeze. It's a direct fit for your compatible vehicle, so no modifications or extra parts are needed. Just pop it in, and you're good to go. It fits like OEM because it's built with vehicle-specific compatibility in mind. And let's not forget about the warranty. K&N backs this filter with a 1-year limited warranty, which gives you peace of mind when you're making the switch. At around $16.79 on Amazon, it's also competitively priced. Especially when you factor in how long it lasts and how little maintenance it requires. Sure, shipping to countries like India adds a bit more to the cost, but it's still a solid investment in the performance and longevity of your engine. So to wrap it up, if you're looking for a high-quality, long-lasting, and high-performance air filter for your Chevy or GMC SUV or truck, the K&N KNA-2129 is a top-tier choice. It's affordable, durable, and does exactly what it promises, keeps your engine protected for longer than the standard options on the market. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest product reviews. Drop a comment if you've used this air filter before or if there's another product you want us to check out next. Catch you in the next one.